Creating a budget can be a great way to get a handle on your finances and make sure you're spending and saving wisely. Here's a step-by-step guide to making a budget that works for you. Gather your financial information. Before you start creating a budget, you'll need to compile your financial information. This includes your income, expenses, bills, debts, and savings. Set your goals. Before making a budget, it's important to decide what goals you want to achieve. Do you want to pay off debt? Save for a down payment? Build an emergency fund? Whatever your goals are, make sure they are specific, measurable, and achievable. Calculate your net income. After you've gathered all the necessary information, calculate your net income. This is the amount of money you have left after taxes and deductions are taken out of your paycheck. Track your expenses. Now it's time to track your expenses. Write down everything you spend money on in a given month. This includes items such as rent, groceries, entertainment, transportation, create your budget. Once you have all of your financial information, you can begin to create your budget. Start by setting a goal for each category in your budget, then decide how much of your income you want to allocate to each category. Make sure to leave enough for savings and other goals you may have. Adjust and monitor your budget. After creating your budget, monitor it closely. Make adjustments as needed and keep track of your progress. Making a budget can be a great way to gain control of your finances and reach your financial goals. With a little effort and dedication, you can create a budget that works for you.